Good afternoon. This is Mohammad Milan Hussain, the founder of English Academy. Today I'm going to talk about sports. Well, it's one of my favorite topics to talk, so thank you very much for the chance. In the world, we can see there are a lot of sports like football, volleyball, badminton, haikido, and so on. And they are divided into two parts like indoor and outdoor games. So if I talk about my favorite game, which are football, cricket, and volleyball, but nevertheless, I love most cricket because it's a gentleman game and it's an international game. Moreover, playing cricket creates a good bonding among the team members. Furthermore, it helps us to keep fit our body and mind. So I love most which is Bangladesh team as it's my motherland. And except Bangladesh team, I really like New Zealand cricket team because they are very polite. And I have plenty of players that I really like. They are Sakib Al Hassan, Tamim Iqbal, Sabir Rahman, Shoumya Sarkar, Mushfiqur Rahim, Liton Das. And if I talk about from international arena, which will be Hashim Amla, AB de Villiers, Virat Kohli, I really like their playing, the way they played, and I really like their generosity. Now, if I talk about my experience of playing cricket, which will be in 2015, I played in our district, in Lakshmipur Cricket Academy. I think all of you know about Hassan Mahmood from Bangladesh team. He's the most important player in Bangladesh now. And to be honest, I'm very lucky to say that I played with him in our Lakshmipur Cricket Academy. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.